Chapter 17, The Sun, the Moon and the Earth. The Sun and the Solar System. Sun is a huge ball of fire that gives us heat and light. It is the nearest star to us. Our Earth is a planet. Heavenly body which revolves around the Sun is called a planet. हमारे सोलर सिस्टम में टोटल 8 planets हैं. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The Sun and the 8 planets are part of the solar system. सब planets एक fixed path में sun के around revolve करते हैं जिसे हम कहते हैं orbit. Earth sun से third planet है. It is the only planet which is life. The Earth was formed millions of years ago. It consists of land, water and air. 75% of the Earth's surface is water and 25% is land. Earth is surrounded by a layer of air जिसे हम कहते हैं atmosphere. It is about 150 million kilometer away from the sun. Structure of the Earth. Earth के center को कहते हैं core. Core is made up of hot molten material. The layer outside the core is called mantle. This layer is made up of rock. और जो outermost layer of the earth है उसे कहते हैं crust. The crust of the earth has oceans and seas. It also has mountains and valleys, deserts and plains. Shape of the earth. Earth seems to be flat. लेकिन अर्थ की शेप है स्फेरिकल विथ फ्लैट पोल्स एंड अ स्लाइट बल्ज इन द मिडिल लाइक एन ऑरेंज. Evidences that show that earth is spherical in shape are when the shadow of the earth falls on the moon, it is called eclipse of the moon. This shadow is round in shape. This shows that earth is spherical in shape. If you ever watch a ship sailing away from the shore, you may have noticed that the lower part disappears first. This is because it is sailing on a round surface. Photographs of the earth taken from the space have also shown that earth is spherical in shape. अर्थ के दो मूवमेंट्स होते हैं, रोटेशन एंड रेवोल्यूशन. रोटेशन होता है जब अर्थ अपने ही एक्सिस पे स्पिन करता है, उसे कहते हैं रोटेशन. अर्थ रोटेट्स फ्रॉम वेस्ट टू ईस्ट एंड कंप्लीट्स वन रोटेशन इन 24 hours. Rotation of the earth causes day and night. Rotation causes day and night. The earth gets light from the sun. As the earth is round, the portion which faces the sun receives the sun rays और वो होता है डे टाइम, और जो बैक पोर्शन होता है दैट इज़ द नाइट टाइम. रेवोल्यूशन ऑफ द अर्थ गोज अराउंड द सन इन अ फिक्स पाथ जिसे हम कहते हैं ऑर्बिट. इस मूवमेंट को कहते हैं रेवोल्यूशन. द अर्थ कंप्लीट्स वन रेवोल्यूशन अराउंड द सन इन 365 days and 6 hours. The revolution of the earth causes different seasons. Moon is the closest neighbor of the earth. ये एक natural satellite है. Just as the earth moves around the sun, the moon moves around the earth. It takes 27.32 days to complete one rotation on its axis. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from the earth. Moon की अपनी कोई light नहीं है. Moon reflects the light of the sun. Phases of the moon. The shape of the moon seems to change every night because of the location of the moon with respect to the sun and the earth. और इन shapes को हम कहते हैं phases of the moon. New moon. This phase occurs when the moon comes in between the earth and the sun. This day is called the new moon's day. The moon is not visible from the earth. This day is also called the Amavasya in India. Crescent moon. It is the second phase of the moon which appears approximately 2.66 days after the new moon. इसमें हमें मून का बहुत स्मॉल पार्ट दिखता है. फर्स्ट क्वार्टर. ड्यूरिंग दिस फेज हाफ ऑफ द मून इज विजिबल. अर्थ एंड द मून बोथ गेट्स द सेम अमाउंट ऑफ लाइट. गिब्बस मून. ड्यूरिंग दिस फेज हमें मून मोर देन हाफ विजिबल होता है. फुल मून वो फेज होता है जिसमें सन की लाइट कंप्लीटली मून पे फॉल करती है. इसे हम पूर्णिमा के नाम से भी जानते हैं. We can see the full moon once in every 28 days. After the full moon day, the visible portions of the moon start decreasing till new moon or no moon and the cycle is repeated. Thank you.